Kraken. Hi, I'm Charlie Jefferys here at the GRILLO'D studios. I'm going to be cooking my smoking spiced pineapple on the Gusto barbecue. It's Kraken. Right, start off by peeling the pineapple. So now we're just going to add on layer upon layer of flavour to this pineapple. So we're going to add our lemon, crush a cinnamon stick over the top, vanilla pod. Put it all on top because you're going to massage it all on like a steak, the pineapple steak. Mint goes on. Break the mint as you put it on. Release all them oils in the mint. Honey. So you're just adding flavour and flavour and flavour on top. And the honey is going to act as a good tool to make it nice and caramelised, as well as the dark sugar, dark soft brown sugar. And then the most important part, the rum. We don't want to be shy. You can smell already, it's amazing. So now what you want to do is get messy and just massage it all into the pineapple. Leave that in the fridge, preferably overnight, and get all them flavours into the pineapple. Okay, perfect. Smoking. I'm going to add some oak. The barbecue now is roaring hot. It's exactly what we want. That's what you want to hear. Just give it a brush with all that juices, all the marination juices. Keep doing that every few minutes. Right, we're going to give it some more rum, another dousing, and give it a bit of theatre. Makes you smile every time, little kid. Right, so I'm happy with it now. I'm going to take it off the barbecue. God, it smells delicious. So we're going to go straight in half. Oh, it smells so good. Smoky, sweet, a little bit of cinnamon spice. Just take out the centre, and then we're just going to slice it. Ends always for the chef. So we're going to finish this dish off because it's super sweet, this. It lends itself well with the creme fraiche. It's acidic, it's fresh, it's cold, against the nice warm pineapple. And we're just going to add a bit of mint, just to add a bit of green to the dish and some freshness. One on top of the other, and then just go through them in a nice julienne. That goes in. A little bit of lemon zest and a little bit of juice. Just gonna literally put it everywhere. Finish off with a few sprigs of mint and one last dousing of this Kraken rum. Never enough. So there we have it, our smoking spiced pineapple. Been barbecued on the Gusto and finished off with creme fraiche, mint and lemon. Super juicy, super smoky, and a whole lot of rum. Finger licking good. Super sweet. Super juicy. Super, 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 super. It's so sweet, it's reminding me like Haribo's.